Our Chrome extension makes managing your referrals a snap. It's designed specifically with recruiters in mind and allows you to follow up with new referrals as they come in without interrupting your workflow. After signing in, you'll see a list of the current referrals that are assigned to you. New referrals are highlighted and bolded. When a new referral comes in, a notification is shown on the icon badge, even when the extension is closed. It provides a helpful alert that you have new referrals waiting for you. You can click the left arrow at the top of the app to change which side of the browser the app is anchored to, and you can change its size by dragging the edge of the pane. Click on a column header to filter the referral list. Each column has a unique set of filters that you can apply. If you'd like to undo the filters that you've applied, just click the Sort button at the top left corner to reset the filters. If a referral has a resume attached to it, this icon will appear next to their name. If they were sourced from a social share, you'll see a bullhorn. If the job is no longer open, you'll see a closed icon. You can click on a referral to view its full details. At the top are controls for following up with the candidate and the referring employee. Let's send a message to the candidate. You can select a template if you like, then compose your message. Below you'll find the candidate info, the requisition info, and the referring employee's info. If a resume is present, you can click to download it. Thank you for taking a moment to learn about our Chrome extension. We hope it makes reviewing and following up with your new referrals a quicker and easier process.